Isang espesyal na dinner experience ang ibinahagi ni Bea Bores, kasama ang private chef sa kanilang tahanan ngayon.
It smells amazing.
Special yung dinner.
Wow. And this is our dinner. Down. Wow, wow, wow. Wow. I've prepared dessert. Thank you.
Hindi siya kasama, but I feel like to end the day, kailangan ng dessert syempre. So, I made eggnog and Biscoff banana pudding inspired by M Bakery.
Thank you, Chef. We're gonna try it na.
It's so soft. I was like, oh. So, this is one of the dinners. It's roasted chicken inasal, so a bit different. I wouldn't say inasal kasi hindi siya grilled, but it has the flavors of inasal. So, tanglad, lemon, lime, calamansi, and all that stuff. Tapos, for Filipino-style chimichurri, may tanglad siya ng onte and green onions. And then, we have a double-fried potatoes with parmesan cream on top.
Damn.
Yeah. And then,
I requested salmon, guys.
yeah, nag-request si Bea ng salmon dish. It's very simple, but I say,
Thank you,
if executed
Chef.
well, it's nice. It's parmesan mashed potatoes, and you have your seared salmon, tapos you have a Tuscan cream sauce on top.
Wow. Okay,
Yeah.
let's eat. Okay, let's eat. Kuya Jones, lead the prayer.
What, is
I
it
like
good?
this.
What is that? What is that?
Potato. That is so
Ano
good.
dito? It's good.
Thank you, Chef.
Sarap.
Right?
Honest, okay lang sa akin.
It's good, Chef. Sarap, no?
Hindi naman ako makain ng potatoes eh. Ang sarap. Is it spicy?
I don't find it spicy.
But it's spicy?
Parang hindi. Guys, ang sarap ng potato.
Yeah.
Ang sarap ng chicken din. Sarap.
This is the sauce for this Mount Inasal.
Technically, it's not inasal nga.
I
Because,
didn't listen, eh, no?
yeah, you weren't listening kasi.
Okay, let's try.
Sarap. In fairness kay Chef.
Ang sarap din ng bibimbap kanina.
Oh, yeah.
Marininang.
Hi! Oh my! Hello!
Wow.
Food tasting for today.
Wow.
Pakikat.
Guys, we're gonna try the salmon.
Ay, ang sarap ng sausawa ng chimichurri. Yeah. Pero, hanghang.
Ang manghang. Hindi ko naangangan.
It's super spicy.
Sarap.
I would love this.
Guys, the salmon is good. Everything is good. Everything is great. I love everything. Ang sarap ng salmon. Try the salmon, guys.
Manghang.
Really?
Yeah.
Hindi ko
But it's good,
natitikman. Sarap. Tita Elaine, try this. You know what? Mamang will love the potato. I swear. Guys, gusto ko yung potato kasi nag-try ako magluto ng potato tapos hindi siya malambot. Okay, ako na. So, pagtatama rin kami magluto, mag-hire na lang kami ng chef.
Hire niyo si Chef, guys. Chef, kain na.
Is the sauce,
Did you like it?
medyo maanghang siya. For me.
Sarap ng salmon. Kaya ayoko na. I'm full. Ayoko na pero kuha ng kuha eh, no?
Last na.
Guys, so let's try the banana pudding. That's good. Okay, my last bite.
It's eggnog daw eh.
Super.
Paano na talaga mag-chef yung eggnog?
Kahit hindi naman talaga makalat yung face ko. Okay, guys. I'm done. And you know what? I wanted to rank yung favorite ko, breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Pero parang iba-iba kasi. So, hindi ko maano kung ano yung pinaka-favorite ko.
Natapos ang dinner na may masayang samahan at appreciation sa natatanging private chef experience na kanilang ibinahagi.